Hello everyone, I'm Agus. So today I want to show you how to download and install JDK on your computer. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Agus Suastiawan. My student number is 2515354001. I am majoring in technology information, program study, software engineer, and I come from Polytechnic Negeri Bali. So let's go to tutorial. First, open your browser. Open any browser you like, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. And second, search Oracle or click link of Oracle. I will put link on my bio. And third, select last version of JDK. And after that, choose your operating system. Fifth, click link download of Oracle. Then after that, you must wait until finish. Okay. If already done, open the installer file and follow the installation step. Wait a second. Okay. Click yes. Click next. Click next and wait a minute. Okay, after completing, now we must set environment. Open the file. Click Windows C, program files, Java, and click JDK 25 bin. After that, click the top, select, copy, and after that you must open the environment. Uh, sorry, yeah, environment, uh, environment variables. Click open. Click environment variables. Find path. Double click. Then click new and paste. Click OK. Click OK. 9. Open your command prompt and type this Java version and Java version. If it appears the JDK has been successful installed. Okay. Thank you for watching and goodbye.